Hey, hello. I'm about to show you how to style that bandana like a cholo, like a chola, name them all. And all you need right now is to get into business. Grab the bandana and follow me. Follow every step that I am going to be showing you. And without a doubt, make sure that you like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. What is subscribing? Subscribing is just clicking on the red button that is beside the channel's name named subscribe. You just click on it, and if you want to be the VIP, very important person of this channel, you just turn on the notification bell and you'll never miss out on any new upload. With that all said and done, grab on that safety belt and let's get into work. Here we're not yet, we didn't come to play. This is my bandana. You can choose to place it on a flat surface or just follow the way I am doing it, okay? Step by step, and you're not going to miss out on any move. I have tips and some minor details that if you do not follow them, you're not going to look like one. This. Yes. And this is our main goal. Having it like that, from this tip, fold it towards that tip. From this side, you take it to that side, making sure that it is not inside out. The inner side is the one that is facing towards that side, but if you have placed it on a place like this, that is a flat area like this, let me show you. Like this. The inner side is the one that has faced up, okay? To get yourself something like that. Then after that, from this side, we are going to drop it down. Okay, I hope you've seen that. You just have it like that. And then after that, you can choose to do another fold up somewhere like that. So if you're still using your flat surface, this is how you go about it. You'll fold it like that. And then fold it once again, like that. To have something like that. Now here's where we're paying attention to details. This pattern, if you're using this type of bandana, how is these lines looking like? These patterns, where are they at? Okay? And so remember, to that point, like this video, shake it out. You can leave a comment down below and subscribe, and also you can talk to me via my socials. So now it's time to place it on your head. Make sure that these flowers are the ones that are there at the center. With all your hair at the back, maybe, or if you want them to drop at the front, well and good. In this case, you just take it to the back. That, placing it on your ears like this, like that, and then make a fold, and make sure that this fold is not here at the center or top or anything. It should be below, down here towards your neck. How do you make a knot? If you do not know how to do the knots, this is how you do it, like that. To have something like that. And then you can make it more interesting to actually bring it towards your eyebrows. You don't want, let me just show you. But if the size is this small, you'll have to adjust it a little bit. Like that, and then do the same process. Now you place it onto your eyebrows. And then make the same knot below. To have something like that. For those who have hairs, they want to bring them at the front. This is the point where you do that. You can actually bring them from here, if it's your natural hair or not. Why is that there? That's like that. Talk to me by the comment section. Tell me which one is the most interesting for you, the one with the hairs or without. And there's also another way that you can place the hair. You don't have to like bring it on top of the bandana. Let me show you. So if you want to bring it below, what you do is just drop the hair first. You drop the hair first. If you have your natural hair, you do not have hair, you first drop the hairs first. And then the same size of the bandana, the way we did the entire process. And then with your hair there, it's trying to protrude. You do not want unnecessary protrusions or anything coming in our way. So you just do that. You see, you're placing the banana on top of the hair. Or maybe your hair could be here. Depends with your hair how you want it to be seen. The same case, you just fold below, right there. So whichever side, ouch, whichever side you want your hair to be, you just place it there. I just pulled my hair. I want it on the side. So remember to watch us for my other uploads that will be coming right here. Yeah, and you can also watch out for more tutorials on my channel by subscribing and turning on the notification, or just scrolling down these videos after this. Yeah, remember to also recommend us out there. Tell a friend about this channel, and yeah, that's just it. Thank you for watching this. I truly appreciate you so much. Remember, your ears are in. Which one was your favorite? With the hairs out or without? Always talk to me on my socials. That is on Instagram, Facebook at Maureen or at Miss Maureen.